Imagine a telescope floating in space. Now, imagine that this telescope can see objects billions of light years away. This is not science fiction. This is the Hubble Space Telescope. For over 3 decades, Hubble has been our eye on the universe. It has revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos. Hubble has shown us distant galaxies, exploding stars, and even black holes. Before Hubble, our view of the universe was blurry and limited. Hubble, orbiting high above Earth's atmosphere, provided crystal-clear images. These images have transformed astronomy. They continue to inspire scientists and the public alike. Hubble is a testament to human ingenuity and our quest to explore the unknown. It stands as a beacon of discovery, illuminating the vast and mysterious universe we call home. The idea for a space telescope was first proposed in 1946 by astronomer Lyman Spitzer. He envisioned a telescope above Earth's atmosphere, free from distortions. In the 1970s, NASA and the European Space Agency began developing the Hubble Space Telescope. Named after Edwin Hubble, it was launched on April 24, 1990. The launch marked a new era in astronomy. However, a flaw in Hubble's mirror caused blurry images. In 1993, astronauts installed corrective optics. The successful repair was a triumph of engineering and human ingenuity. Hubble is a reflecting telescope. It uses mirrors to collect and focus light. Light from distant objects enters the telescope and bounces off the primary mirror. The light is then reflected to a secondary mirror, which focuses the light onto the telescope's scientific instruments. Hubble is equipped with a suite of instruments that are sensitive to different wavelengths of light, including visible light, ultraviolet light, and infrared light. This allows Hubble to observe a wide range of astronomical objects and phenomena that are invisible to the human eye. One of Hubble's key advantages is its location above Earth's atmosphere. The atmosphere distorts light, making ground-based telescopes less sharp. Hubble's position in space allows it to capture incredibly detailed images of distant objects. Hubble's observations have revolutionized our understanding of the universe. From the birth and death of stars to the evolution of galaxies, Hubble has provided unprecedented insights into the cosmos. Section 4. Unveiling the Universe. Hubble's groundbreaking discoveries. Hubble has made countless discoveries throughout its illustrious career. One of its most significant contributions is determining the age of the universe. By observing distant galaxies, Hubble estimated the universe's age to be around 13.8 billion years. Hubble confirmed the existence of supermassive black holes at the centers of galaxies. These objects have a gravitational pull so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape them. Hubble also played a crucial role in studying dark energy. By observing distant supernovae, Hubble discovered the universe's expansion is accelerating. Section 5. Hubble by the numbers. Facts and figures. Here are some impressive facts and figures about the Hubble Space Telescope. Orbit: 547 kilometers or 340 miles above Earth. Speed: 28,000 kilometers per hour or 17,500 miles per hour. Weight: 11,110 kilograms or 24,500 pounds. Mirror diameter: 2.4 meters or 94.5 inches. Data transmitted: over 150 terabytes of data. Scientific papers: over 19,000 scientific papers published based on Hubble data. These numbers highlight the incredible scale and capability of this groundbreaking telescope. Hubble's contributions to astronomy are immeasurable, and its legacy will continue to inspire generations to come. Section 6. Hubble's legacy: inspiring future generations. Hubble's impact extends far beyond the scientific community. Its stunning images have captured the imagination of people worldwide, inspiring a sense of wonder and awe about the universe. The telescope has become a cultural icon, featured in movies, TV shows, books, and countless works of art. It has sparked the curiosity of countless young minds, encouraging them to pursue careers in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, or STEM. Hubble's legacy will continue to inspire future generations of scientists, engineers, and explorers. Its contributions to our understanding of the universe are immeasurable, and its story is a testament to the power of human curiosity and ingenuity. Hubble has paved the way for future space telescopes, such as the James Webb Space Telescope, which will continue to push the boundaries of our knowledge and explore the cosmos in even greater detail. Section 7. Conclusion. The enduring impact of Hubble. The Hubble Space Telescope stands as a testament to human ingenuity and our insatiable thirst for knowledge. For over 3 decades, it has orbited our planet, beaming back breathtaking images of the cosmos and revolutionizing our understanding of the universe. Hubble's discoveries have touched every aspect of astronomy, from the birth and death of stars to the evolution of galaxies and the expansion of the universe itself. It has revealed the universe's awe-inspiring beauty and complexity, inspiring generations to look up at the stars and ponder the mysteries that lie beyond. As Hubble's mission eventually comes to an end, its legacy will continue to inspire and shape our understanding of the cosmos for generations to come. It has forever changed our place in the universe and ignited a passion for exploration that will continue to drive us to unravel the universe's most profound secrets.